it's Lisa with WTI, and I'm just loving these palm leaf bowls from Chic Leaf.
They are so beautiful and cute and gorgeous, and they dress up a table so nicely. You can also use it for a romantic dinner to really emphasize that love that you have for your partner. You can even use them for a backyard barbecue. A barrier fits perfect on them, or like a very nice picnic. The edges are nice and round, so it feels comfortable when you're holding it. I just love that natural nude tone to them because they match with anything party and many different color schemes since it's that nude tone. I really love the texture and the design of these bowls. They're made from palm leaf and the size is 6.5 inches. Every bowl is unique and feels natural and sturdy with a nice thickness. It makes food look more inviting and really dresses up the atmosphere.
So if you're looking to dress up a table or a meal and looking for durable plates that are just as cute as can be, I recommend these, and that's my point of view.